Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll be opening and assembling the LEGO City Set 60247, which is the forest fire set. There's not much of a forest in it, but it's basically a small buggy, a small fire buggy, and it has like a tree stump, a small tree stump and an owl with it, and a fireman. It's quite a nice little set. It's probably one of the sets I've been looking at for a while. Finally picked it up at a good price. I'm not going to show people what that is, but there we go. That's the first front of the box. This is the back of the box. I'll open it up. It's only a small little set, and it was originally about $8.99. Obviously, I didn't pay $8.99 for it. It's got a small little instruction book and 2 bags of bits and a vehicle chassis base. I'll open up the bags first, and it comes with Clemens, one of the LEGO City firemen. So you must be in one of the cartoons or one of the animation things they do. Put that over there. Open the book up. First of all, we build Clemmons. He's got some nice sideburns. Find his legs. Some nice detailing on these legs. They're like proper, like what you call fireman trousers. And he's got the proper American style fireman's helmet. As you can see, the detail on the legs on the front is quite good, and the detail on the back is there's lots of nice detail on this figure. I'll put him here for the time being so you can supervise the build. We start off with one of the axle pieces like this, and then we've got a blue 2x2 flat studded. Goes on like so. And we got a couple of what looks like red square studded pieces, the see-through ones. Go on like that. And then you put the chassis attaches on there. The vehicle has a white steering wheel and a blue small angled roofing piece, which goes on the back as like a support piece. Goes on there like so. Then we do the front axle piece. That has a couple of green 2x1s with a hook piece on the front. That'll be for the bumper bar, like that. That goes on there like so, and that's our vehicle so far. Now we've got a couple of the grey 3x1 flat studded pieces. They go on there like so. And we've got a proper Lego brick, a 2x2 red Lego brick, goes on the back, and a 2x1 green piece goes on the back there, like so. Then we have a grey 2x1 with a hook, little connector hook on the back. Then we have I'm not sure what you call this, but it's a 2x1, but it's got a Technic Lego connector piece in it. So we've got, should have two of these in there, trying to find it, there we go. These go on the back. These go on the back like that. Next we make a Lego fire extinguisher, which is a Lego small cylinder and like a tap thing that goes on the top there. It's one of those pieces, it's those multi-use pieces that Lego use. So there we go, got that bit on the back there like so. Now we've got to put some of these roofing pieces on the side in red because it's a fire vehicle. I missed a page there. Oh, I see, yeah, we turn that over there, and then we have I've missed a couple of pieces here, so got a couple of these pieces here that go on. Now we've got a little black window piece that goes on the back here. I think that's more as a support piece, so you've got something to rest into when he's driving. And I've got a couple of these red angled pieces that go on here. Go on there like so. As you can see, got that piece in the back there, that black window piece there. Again, I think I've missed something, which isn't good. Yeah, I did miss a page out. That window piece has, this is what happens when you, it's what I love about Lego, when it all falls apart. Stick that in there. Get this back to where it was. Like that. There's a little piece that goes in there, as you can see. And then we now should be in the right place in the book now. So we have a grey 4x2, flat studded, and a 2x1, but instead of having a stud, it has a little connector piece on it. So we've got two of these to go on. They go on there like so. Could put some blue lights on the side. These are just small angled, small triangular pieces. They go on there like so. You've got a green vent piece goes on the top. Like that. Then you've got some 3x1s. They go on there like so. Then you've got a yellow 4x1 flat piece. They go on there. Not sure you can see that yellow. You can see that yellow better there with the lights. Next we've got to put the sidebars on the vehicle. So it's one of these red pieces like this, and a see a transparent blue 2x1. So that goes in there like so. These bits go on these attached to the side here, like that, as you can see. And we've got another red 2x2. Then you've got two of these right angled pieces to go on the front. Then you've got a white 4x1 and two of these yellow pieces, oh, just not on there right. Make sure they're going right, otherwise you end up losing them. Those pieces on there like so. As you've got the white bit in the bottom there. Next you've got the curved plate goes on the front there with the fire logo on it, and a green vent piece, and there's another green vent piece goes on the front with some of the clear headlights. So you've got some blue round pieces as well in here. So as you can see, I think I put the right ones on there. If I haven't, do feel free to leave a comment at the end of the video. Next, you put the bumper bar on the front, and you've got the window piece for more of a bug shield than anything else. So that piece moves and that moves as well. Well, they're probably not moving intentionally, but they did. But as anyone watching my videos knows, I do like the moving parts. My Legos come with moving parts. So next we've got to make the wheels. The wheels only go one way, so this has got the big chunky tyres on it because it's like an off-road buggy for fighting forest fires. Not sure how much good it would do against a forest fire, but I think it'd probably be helpful in the if you're trying to rescue people, trying to make a trail. Put the wheels on. And there's the buggy so far. Quite a cool little build. Now you've got to make the fire extinguisher. This is part of the unit here. You've got a Lego Technic connector like this. That bit goes on there. Then you've got to put one of these. It's a Lego Technic axle in reddy brown, but it's got a smooth ending on it, so that goes in there. That goes all the way in there like so. Then you've got some of these blue circular Lego studs, the flat ones. These get placed in here. Don't know how many. I'll see how many you get in here first. You only get 3 in there. Then you attach this to the side of the buggy there. There was a bit of potential. I reckon they could have put one each side, which would have been quite cool. But I think you've got a potential for that on a rebuild. And for the price of the set, it's not too bad. So as you can see, I can should be able to launch these. Let's see, there we go. Do you see that? I managed to launch that. That's quite cool. You have about 3 of those in there, and it's quite a cool little build. We'll put him in his little vehicle, in his little Firebuggy. There we go. He's got his little buggy, and he can now help put out the forest fires. Now we've got to build the little tree stump bit. So you start off with a little 4x4 base plate like that. It's in green. I've got 2 of these round pieces. Put those together. They go in the middle. Then you've got a round piece with some little leg bits on. Could be converted into an insect or spider or something if you wanted to. I couldn't see my daughter liking that idea, so then you've got a couple of these foliage bits go on each side. Then we have an owl which goes on the tree stump. Quite a nice little owl. I think these originally came around with the Harry Potter sets, but nowadays I think Lego have found many ways to reuse them. So there's our little bit of fire on there that can be knocked off the branches, and the fire goes on there like so. Try and show you that. You've got the fire bit on there, so you can move that around wherever you want it, and then he can come along and actually knock the fire. Hopefully, knock that bit off and put the fire out. But I'm not going to do that because I don't want to lose the studs. Overall, I think this is a nice little set. I think the owl in it makes it quite cool. The Firebuggy is quite a nice little attachment. It does have a lot of potential for rebuild as well. Rebuild, redesign. You could do quite a lot with that. I could back in the day when I was building my bases and stuff like that. I could convert that, and that back bit there, you could put an extra one of those on the side as well. There's lots of potential for rebuild with this set. So overall, a good set, and I'm quite happy with it. Well done, Lego. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, do feel free to like, share and subscribe. If you have any comments or feedback regarding this video, do feel free to leave comments at the end of the video. Stay safe, keep building, and I hope very much to see you in one of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.